Aha! I figured it out.
What are you talking about?
I figured it out. I figured out what VeeamON has always been missing. A VeeamathON.
You mean like advanced configuration and diagnostics of Veeam products?
Live.
You're right. This will give us a way to showcase Veeam products in a way never before seen at VeeamON.
Exactly. A behind-the-scene look at top challenges our customers might face, featured by our top technical support members.
We could showcase industry standard tools in live diagnostics, and our experts could give insights on advanced configurations.
Yeah. You're not gonna wanna miss these live interactive sessions.
Come see us in the expo hall, right next to the expert booths.
Times are gonna be published inside of the mobile app. And
Don't forget,
we're
it's Vanguard approved.